Hello to all of you dear friends, welcome to the Binary Wins channel. I'm with you with the 21st episode of the Candle Psychology video series. In this episode, I want to explain to you about the 5-second confirmation and the rules and method of trading with this method in binary options. So, stay with me until the end of the video. Dear viewers, before starting the video, if you would like to support me, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the channel link with those who are interested in professional activity in the binary options market. Also, to start your activity in this market, use the registration and login links in the video description and receive a 50 to 100% initial bonus to start practicing and trading. But what is the 5-second confirmation in binary options? The 5-second confirmation is a method for finding entry points and trading with fake breaks of support and resistance levels. Suppose we have an uptrend, that is, we have confirmations of the trend, low, high, higher low, and higher high. As you can see, a retracement trend has reached the level, since my major trend is uptrend. Then there is a possibility of a fake breakout of this level. That is, since we have an uptrend, there is a possibility that if this level is broken, this break will actually be a fake breakout. We want to be able to follow the fake breakout of the levels with the 5-second confirmation and have a confirmation to enter the trade. That is, we want to find the best entry point. In fact, with the 5-second confirmation, we want to find more confidence whether this breakout of the level is a fake breakout or not. But for trading using the 5-second confirmation, when the price reaches the desired level, if we were on the 1-minute candlestick time frame, we should go to the 5-second time frame, and on the next 1-minute candlestick, wait for the formation of a full candle in the direction of the main trend and the fake breakout. Let me explain to you on the figure. Suppose we have an uptrend. Okay? If you look closely, we have confirmations of the trend. So our trend is an uptrend, and we are now on the 1-minute candlestick time frame. And our candlestick on the 1-minute time frame has closed at or crossed the level. Meanwhile, we move to the 5-second time frame of the candles. Suppose we are now in the 5-second time frame. Note that if in the next 1-minute candle in the 5-second time frame of the candles, a full candle is formed for me. That is, a powerful candle that has a medium body size and finally has a small shadow and rejection from below. Then it is better that this candle does not have pressure and rejection in the upward trend from above. In that case, after the formation of the first full candle, we can enter the higher trade in the 1 minute time frame. Note that we still have time to enter the trade until the first 3 or 4 candles. That is, we may form the full candle on the first candle for us, or on the second candle, on the third candle, or on the fourth candle, and then we can enter the trade. Okay? Remember these two shapes. These are standard shapes of the full candle in question. So, if our candle was a large candle, that is, a big candle, we can't enter the trade with this candle. That is, the candle size must be a medium and appropriate size. So, we can't use big candles, and of course, we can't use candles with a small body that have a shadow and rejection from above and below to enter the trade. In this way, the 5-second confirmation trade is called. So, note that since our trend was uptrend, there was a possibility of a false break of the support level. Similarly, for example, in a downtrend, where we have confirmations of the trend, high, low, lower high, and lower low. Since the retracement trend has reached a resistance level, there is a possibility of a false break of the level. If we were in the 1 minute candlestick time frame, after the candle closes, we should go to the 5-second candlestick time frame and wait for the formation of a full candle in the next 1 minute candlestick time frame. As a result, like the previous slide, by forming a full red candle, we can enter the lower trade. That is, we have traded with the 5-second confirmation method. But if we were on the 2 minute candlestick time frame, to trade with this method, we should switch to the 10-second candlestick time frame. And if we were on the 5-minute chart, we should switch to the 30-second candlestick time frame. Okay, let's go to the broker's live chart. I will explain the tips and rules to you in practice by finding a few examples and trading with this method. If you look, we have an uptrend here. Here is a high equal to the previous high and then a retracement trend. I'm waiting for the candle to reach the level and trade with a 5-second confirmation on the fake breakout of the level. Now, I will go to the 5-second time frame. I'm waiting for the full green candlestick to form to enter the trade. Look, I entered the higher trade. As you can see, a full green candle has formed for me. Of course, as I explained before, it is better if the candle doesn't have pressure and rejection from above. But since before this candle another green candle has formed for me, I entered the higher trade. Let's wait for the trade to close. Oh, my only mistake was I didn't pay attention to the trade time. See, the trade time was set to 2 minutes. But still, since the breakout is a fake breakout, you can see that the trend is continuing. Okay. I will set the trade time to 1 minute. I will try to find another example. If you look closely, our trend is a downtrend. So, if the candles reach this level, there is a possibility of a fake breakout of the level. Pay attention. Look here. I'm going to 5-second time frame of the candles. You can see that I entered the lower trade after the first full candle was formed. Okay, look. We had a downtrend. Our retracement trend reached a level. I went to the 5-second candlestick time frame and entered a lower trade in the same direction as the full candlestick formed. Okay, dear friends, Don't forget that you must definitely practice and trade on this method on a demo account, and be sure to be careful in finding the trend direction with trend confirmations. This is because if your level breaks in the direction of the trend, there is a possibility of a real breakout, and the 5-second confirmation is used for trading with fake breakouts of levels. My dears, if you like the video, like it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and send the channel link to those who are interested in working in this market. To register with the PocketOption broker, use the registration link in the video description and receive a 50 to 60% bonus to start practicing and trading. Don't forget, no success is easy and without effort. You are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video. Bye.